Hey guys, thanks for stopping by the channel here. If you are looking at this video, you're probably looking into a way to make money online. And what I do here is tell you exactly how you can do that very easily, very cheaply, very quickly, very effectively. So there is a company that you can get involved with that has an affiliate marketing program specifically designed for people to get paid for getting this company's name out there. If this is your first time here, hit that subscribe button and let's get into exactly how you can make money online if you're just starting to look into it. Okay guys, so we all know if we want to start making money online, we're going to have to do something, right? You can't just click a couple of buttons and make money. Now, drop shipping, narration accounts, all of that crap that you can do, buying courses and all of selling courses, all of that crap just doesn't work. And I know because I've tried it. But there is one thing that is the fastest growing home-based business in America, and it's digital marketing. It's marketing digital products. There are a bunch of different products that you can digitally market. And yes, you can go out there and you can buy a $600 course that's going to teach you how to do digital marketing. But the problem is then you get ghosted and you get no further help at that point. Plus, you have to find something at that point to digitally market. And that's where everybody fails, okay? So the best thing to do is get involved with a company, a real legit live company that has an affiliate program already set up and wants you to succeed at getting their name out there, at marketing their name. And that's exactly what MyEcon does. MyEcon, first off, is a personal financial company that's been in business for 20 years. They have ties to the FTC, the IRS. They just went through a global expansion. They have an A+ accreditation with the Better Business Bureau. You can check them out, MYECON, check them out, MYECON. But this company obviously knows what they're doing because they are completely debt-free. They don't owe anybody any money. They run all of their own finances, go through themselves. So they are teaching people financial literacy, how to make and save money. They have products that do that. We market those products as affiliate marketers. All you have to do is go right here. If you join through me, if you join through someone like me that's on the funnel team, you get access to a whole pile of free stuff, over $11,000 in free marketing materials. You can go out there and you can join MyEcon through somebody else, through some other team, and you're not going to get access to that stuff. That's why we say this is free, because if you join through me, you get this free app, right? You don't get it if you go through somebody else. So joining through me, you pay nothing extra. You're going to pay the same thing as if you went through somebody else, but join through me, you're going to get all of this free stuff. Now, this free stuff, the capture pages, the sales funnels, the email sequencing, the email marketing, all of that stuff, if you don't know what it is because you're just looking into digital marketing, you don't have to worry about that. We give you free training, daily live training. We get on there with you, plus one-on-one training. If you need it, I'll jump on the phone with you and I'll walk you through step-by-step every single thing that you need. But it's click-by-click videos that you can watch on YouTube that we put out there specifically for this side hustle, specifically for this custom app that gives you access to the training that you need. And it's a complete front-end marketing system. That's all you really need to know. You don't need to know what all the individual things are that you get. But check this out. You're going to want to do this at the very least. Check this out because it only costs you $25 to join MyEcon. Join through me, again, you get over $11,000 in free marketing materials, plus content that you can just download and post. You don't have to make these kind of videos. If you're shy and you don't want to show your face, that's okay. I got content you can download and repost. You can even repurpose my content. I'll let you download it. I'll let you put your own link in there and put it out there. Super easy to do. I'll even walk you through step-by-step how to do it. Go here, go to grabasync.com, check out the video that I have on there. It's going to tell you everything you need to know about the business. Or, you know what? I'm going to link a playlist right here. Go to this playlist. The last video in this playlist goes over every single penny that you would have to spend involved with this system. Check that out. If you have any questions, there's my phone number. There's my email at the top, just like on all my videos. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, get out there and make some money. See you out there.